Thank you, La Visual Corporation. You are the best.
Thank you to the organizer and the La Vista Corporation, the best. The Visuals Corporation is the best.
La Visual Corporation is the best.
Visual is the best.
La Visual is the best. La Visual is the best.
La Visual is the best.
We are from PTV4.
La Visual is the best.
We are UBCBN, the Visual is the best.
We are RTU Visaya. La Visual is the best.
We
We are from Vicente Isabel Multi-Specialty Clinic and Diagnostic Center Incorporated. Your friendly community medical facility. La Visual Corporation is the best.
La Visual is the best.
Good evening, I'm Police Lieutenant Colonel Eronimo De Mega Jr. La Vista Corporation is the best.
Hi, I'm Director Saleha Sakar from National Commission on Muslim Filipinos. Thank you for the recognition. La Visual is the best.
Ako po si Commissioner Willie Marshall ng Philippine Basketball Association. La Visual Corporation is the best. Mabuhay po kayo at maraming salamat.
Hi, I'm Jeff D. And La Visual Corporation is the best.
Hi, I'm Mozi Ravena, manager of Akari Women's Volleyball Team, and La Visual Corporation is the best.
Hi, I'm Ana Magkawas, the founder and CEO of Lux Beauty and Wellness Group. La Visual Corporation, thank you so much. Hi guys, it's Lame Ligay Kay, this is Kinufar, and La Visual is the best. Abangan na po ako sa Walang Got Talents.
Hi guys, I'm MJ Marfori. Thank you for awarding me tonight, and La Visual Corporation, thank you for having me.
Hi, I'm Marco Hilario. We are installing solar. Thank you, La Visual Corporation.
Hi, I'm Regine Duran. I am the CEO of Pink Muli. We do sell beauty products from Korea. Thank you for this, the organization, the organizer of this event, La Visual Corporation.
Hi, I'm Sarah Medina from the Renaissance Correction Services. Hi, La Visual, thank you so much.
So I'm Janice M. De La Cruz of Jan's D. Cruz Apparel. I'm the supplier of Filipiniana and Barong all over the Philippines of Robinson's Department Store. Thank you, La Visual Corporation, for this award.
I'm Mr. Rogelio Constantino Medina from Asian Journal, New York and New Jersey, Los Angeles, San Diego, Las Vegas, and Northern California. La Visual Corporation is the best.
Hi, I'm Mark Logan, a journalist. Shoutout sa La Visual Corporation. Ayan, the best kayo.
Hi, good afternoon. I'm Resi Gallardo. Shout out po with La Visual Corporation.
I'm Attorney Caroline Cruz. Of course, thank you to La Visual Corporation. Thank you for all the support.
Hi, good evening everyone. My name is Roman. I'm from MySafe Pest Control Services. I would like to thank La Visual for this event.
Loves you. LA Visual Corporation is the best.
I'm Mark Javier. I'm a businessman. Thank you, La Visual Corporation.
My name is William Jones, and
We are the CEO of Round Fortress Agency.
thank you, La Visual. We appreciate it, and God bless.
La Visual Corporation is the best. Shoutout po sa may La Vista Corporate and Visual Corporation. My name is Emerson D. Santiago from Saludable Barley Grass Powder. So nandito po kami para maghatid ng maayos na kalusugan para po sa maraming tao rito. This is Saludable Barley Grass Powder. Thank you so much po.
Hi everyone, I just want to make a shout out to La Visual Corporation. I hope you guys are doing great.
Ayan, of course, unang-una, congratulations sa La Vision for this wonderful event, and I would like thank you for considering Senator Tito Lapid also as an awardee para sa taong ito, at isang nakaka-proud bilang isang anak. Ako po si Mark Lapid, nagpapasalamat sa La Vision for this award. Thank you.
Hello, good evening. La Visual Corporation is the best. Thank you.
Hello, La Visual Corporation. Maraming salamat po. You're the best.
Thank you, and good evening everyone. Thank you, La Visual Corporation.
Hello, ako nga pala si Neong _PH ng ABS-CBN Music, rapper ako. Maraming salamat sa La Visual Corporation. And yun. Hello po, si Jojo Bragues po ito. Gusto ko lamang po magpasalamat sa La Visual Corporation para po sa award na ito and sa pag-present ng award ito. Sana po ay mas marami po kayong ma-inspire in the future. God bless po.
Thank you very much for the support that the Visual Corporation is giving to all of our awardees. Maraming salamat.
Congratulations to the Visual Corporation. Congratulations for a very successful event.
Shout out to the Visual Corporation. Thank you for sponsoring this event.
Thank you so much, the Visual Corporation, for this recognition. God bless you, more power, the Visual Corporation. Thank you.
Visual Corporation, thank you and congratulations.
Maraming salamat sa La Visual Corporation at sa Servicio Channel sa recognition na ito at mabuhay kayo. Saludo ako sa inyo. Maraming salamat.
Thank you, La Visual Corporation.
Thank you for the Visual Corporation sa award na binigay nila sa amin. Maraming salamat.
Thank you very much for this award. We are very grateful for this. Thank you. Thank you also for the Visual Corporation for this. Thank you.
The Visual Corporation, thank you for this award.
Thank you po, La Visual Corporation, sa natanggap namin award. Maraming salamat at patuloy niyong i-bless yung mga tao. Maraming salamat.